Flashing. Can you explain what flashing is?
Yeah, so anytime you have a penetration through your roof, for example, a pipe, a plumbing vent pipe, wherever you have a bathroom or a kitchen, a sink or something like that, you're going to have a pipe, a vent pipe go up through the roof where your water heater is. There's a heater vent pipe that goes up through the roof. Your heater unit for your house has a pipe that goes through the roof. If your house has a fireplace, there's a chimney that goes through the roof. If you have a two-story house, there will be a wall. There might be a wall intersecting a lower roof to a higher roof. Every one of those places where there's something going through the roof or an intersection of a roof, there needs to be some sort of a metal. Typically in Southern California, it's a piece of metal that connects that pipe or that protrusion to the roof itself. So that's called a flashing. And that flashing makes that penetration waterproof. So that if you have typically a shingle roof, the flashing will have an apron on it, and then it'll have a cone in the middle of it that goes around the plumbing pipe. It slides down over the plumbing pipe, and it goes into the shingle roof in a shingle fashion, so that water coming down the roof comes over the top of that flashing and continues to go down. And then where the cone is, you seal around that pipe so that any water that might be going down the outside of that pipe goes onto the top of the cone and down the flashing. And that would be the same thing for a chimney or a wall or anything like that. There's a metal that ties those two things together.
Okay, very good. Understood. So